What's up, everyone? I'm Voltaire Lepe. I am the top 1% agent in all of San Diego County. And today we have a special guest. I'm here with my niece,
Kayla.
Kayla. What's up, Kayla? Good morning.
Good morning.
Well, I'm very happy that you're here today because that means that we have the Millionaire Kids Club coming up, right? We're going to be talking about money, all about money. So you were there last year and probably the year before online. What did you like about last year? Like, what was your number one takeaway?
My number one takeaway, it was just like money while you're sleeping. It just feels like it just because it makes more sense in other like experience. And I had a lot of experience in the book, and I read and I concentrate from the kids club last year, and it just makes more sense because I can make money while I'm sleeping. And also that Einstein, he also talked about like the compound interest about money.
So compound interest, it sounds like, was your favorite topic. And that's how millionaires make money while they're sleeping, right? Because they have these assets that are just compounding and producing income while they're sleeping. Like, for example, some of my apartment complexes, what happens? The tenants go to work to pay me. And that, I could be laying on the beach. I could be sleeping. I could be doing whatever I want. I could be working, right?
Yeah.
Awesome. Cool. So you were there last year. You filled out the workbook. What are you anticipating? What are you looking forward to this time around?
I'm looking forward this time around more like investing. Probably like I like to invest 5 times a year, but I try to because I'm younger and I can't really, and I'm not really an adult. I don't have a job yet. I'm just trying to focus on school. And I remember last year you said school doesn't teach one thing, and it's about money.
Yeah. So school doesn't teach about money, so we're teaching it. I heard that you invested before and you made a return, right? So just briefly, how did that work? Like, you put up some money, you gave it to
My mom for Christmas because she knew because it feels mean that it's not giving out a gift to your family member. She just needed a few like dollars. I just don't know how much. I forgot. And I gave it to her, and for the thank you, she gave me some money back.
Right.
For some extra cash.
So maybe I could think of that whenever I get money back when I invest. I'll call it a thank you. But in the business world, people call it like dividends, or they call it interest on your money. So that's a really cool investment. Congratulations. We look forward to seeing you at the Millionaire Kids Club. And just so you guys know, some of the topics we're going to be covering is millionaire attitude, what is money, assets versus liabilities, credit and bank accounts and savings, investment types, compound interest, the power of vision, and much more. Please, if you guys are interested, sign your kids up between the ages of 8 all the way up to 22. Last year we had a diverse crowd, right? We had small kids, and then we had big kids, and then we had young adults. So we'll see each other. The details are below as to when it is. See you soon.